Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and in this video, I want to give you guys a conversation about PEPE and one of the biggest things that I'm looking at to give an indication as to when PEPE can actually come back up in value, because I do believe that PEPE has a tremendous amount of upside in this bull market. Out of all the major meme coins, it is personally my favorite pick for most gain potential in this bull market when you compare it to a Shiba Inu or a Dogecoin. This is new as of this bull market. This came out of the bear market. It has been pumping beautifully into the end of 2024 and has since then had a big move to the downside. Now, a lot of people out there might have gotten in early, certainly, but there's certainly a lot of people that have gotten into this one later and are right now holding a bag. And they might be down on their investment, and they could be down as much as 50 or 60% right now from where we previously were for PEPE. So when can this thing come back up, and what am I looking at to decide, what the next move is for Bitcoin to the upside? Well, let's talk about it in this video, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into this one. So if you take a peek at what's going on right now with PEPE again, it's still way down, guys. Still way down. It's down 66%, which is pretty brutal. The good news is it looks like it wants to establish a bottom here on this yellow trend line that I've drawn out for a while. And that's not the key thing that I'm looking at. That's certainly a level of support that I'm looking at that I'd like to see us establish. We've had some weekly candles that beautifully bounced there in the past. We've been above and below this line for a while, having some resistance and then support on this level. So I feel pretty good about holding up here. Could we come back down and retest these lows? There is a chance that that is possible. But let's talk about why I am, what I'm looking at for the sign for a move to the upside for PEPE. And it's pretty obvious to most people that have been in crypto for a while, but the answer is Bitcoin dominance. Now, on the weekly time frame, my friends, we are seeing Bitcoin dominance start to come down. And I like to see that we had this giant green wick to the upside, but the body candle close on our last weekly candle was actually much lower. This red candle right here is getting bigger. We are seeing Bitcoin dominance start to turn over as we are seeing PEPE coin start to scoop back up. Now, earlier today, and I was drawing this out for you guys yesterday in my PEPE video, earlier today we saw a giant red, well, it was a green spike at the time, a giant green spike to the upside, but now we are actually seeing PEPE coin fall a little bit lower. So on the day, if we see this red candle form for PEPE, there is a risk that PEPE slips back down to this level. And at that rate, I would not be surprised to see Bitcoin dominance go back up. But the sign that I'm seeing right now with Bitcoin dominance is that potentially we are actually topping out. As PEPE is kind of rounding down at the bottom, Bitcoin dominance is rounding out at the top. The only problem right now is that the Fed came out earlier today and said a lot of very hawkish things about quantitative easing not happening for a very long time, not until rates go to zero. We saw the Fed come out today and say we're not going to do rate cuts for a while. And historically, we're probably needing some more rate cuts for a very large move for PEPE. But this chart is giving me a good feeling that maybe, perhaps Bitcoin and crypto are about to finally start acting as they should. And what I mean in the regard to that is, if you understand what Bitcoin is, it is a hedge against inflation. And altcoins head generally in the same direction as Bitcoin. And if people start realizing that inflation is brutal and that Bitcoin is one of the best answers instead of fiat, then perhaps cryptocurrency could start going upwards, contrary to what historically we've seen with risk on assets and the Fed's policy that we're currently seeing right now. Again, if we're not getting rate cuts, we're typically not seeing rallies for risk on assets, but perhaps now we might be coming to the time, maybe, where we're going to see Bitcoin start to rally despite some of the fears about risk on assets, and then people are going to start truly using it as a hedge. And if Bitcoin starts to rally, there is a chance that altcoins can start the rally as well, because we need Bitcoin to go up for altcoins to continue to explode. Now, there is a chance, guys, that Bitcoin dominance creeps back up the other way, and if Bitcoin starts to go up, it outperforms alts. But I do like to see that we're kind of boiling over here for Bitcoin dominance, and it looks like it kind of wants to head the other way. I'm going to keep a close eye on that, guys, and I'm going to keep a close eye on this lower level. This right now is the most logical low level for Pepe to hit for me, which would be about another 15% move to the downside, 18% move to the downside from where we're at currently. Could it come lower? It absolutely could. Anybody that's buying Pepe right now, you must be understanding that this is a very risky asset and that altcoins in general are risky, but meme coins are certainly another level of risk, where if the market generally is coming down, the memes are going to get hit the hardest. The altcoins, the major ones, are going to get hit a little bit less, and Bitcoin is going to get hit the least. So right now, I'm doing a lot of trading with Pepe. I'm doing a lot of accumulation for Bitcoin because I am a little bit concerned about potential more downward action with the Fed policy, but I am also optimistic because I know that at some point in the future, my personal opinion, one day we are going to see Bitcoin being used as that hedge. And as Bitcoin starts to explode, at some point, we should still have an altcoin season where Bitcoin dominance starts to come down and Pepe starts to move back up in a big way. If you're buying Pepe right now and you're DCAing in and we start to move back up, to understand that Pepe is almost a 3x away from its previous all-time high that we just had back in December, that is a huge potential for gaining some money really fast. That gets me pretty excited, guys. I think Pepe, out of all the major memes, is my favorite personally. I do like Shiba Inu and I do like Dogecoin, but Pepe is the one that gives me the best feeling personally because of really it has the backing from Elon Musk. It is the meme narrative of this cycle. More excitement behind this than Dogecoin in this cycle from what I've seen. I mean, it actually had a bigger percentage gain. And it might be, like the Shiba Inu of last cycle, right? First it was Dogecoin, then it was Shiba Inu, and I think this one could be like the Pepe bull run. So I am very interested in trading this coin. If you're interested in trading this coin as well, you could sign up for Blowfin. They made this cool crypto report spinner game for all you guys if you want to sign up and you haven't done so already. And the cool thing is if you deposit $100, you get $10 in Pepe for free. Limited to the first 100 users. This is going to be available for the next 9 days and 10 hours, and you can spin. You might have a chance to earn up to 1 Bitcoin or maybe as little as 2 Doge, or maybe you don't win on this. But it's fun, and you do have a sign-up bonus as well, up to a $5,000 sign-up bonus when you sign up for Blowfin, where you can trade Pepe and all your favorite coins, guys. That's all I have for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hang in there. I know a lot of people are feeling a little bit down about these markets right now because the prices are certainly down, but at some point, we are probably, in my opinion, going to see a continuation of this bull market to the upside. If you look at all the macro things happening for the crypto narrative, it's never been stronger before. Leave a comment for me down below. I'll see you in the next one, guys. DCA, HODL, do your own research, please, guys. Nothing here I say is financial advice, but we're going to keep the content coming. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time, y'all. Peace.